Hello darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. So today we're going to work on a glitter striped tumbler, and as you can see I have a 30 skinny, it's Marshall made tumblers and more. I'll have the description down for that below. I've already painted the cup this beautiful gumdrop purple, and then we're going to add heather purple, lilac, and we're going to go with grape ape, as well as orchard purple. So we're going to layer these right up the top. I'm going to try to do dark to light, but that's the plan anyways. But we're going to do the epoxy method. Scooch these out of the way really quickly. And then we're gonna get ready to start. So I've already got my epoxy pre-mixed and ready to apply to the tumbler. And again, guys, when we're doing the epoxy method with glitter, you do not need that much. So I'm actually gonna hold the cup in one hand and apply with the other. And I'm gonna do this kind of sloppy because it doesn't really matter. I just know that I wanna have a very, very, very thin coat. Bring in my little paper plate, and I'm just gonna go in with the heather purple and just start sprinkling it on. Use. All of these are Glitzy Girl Glitter collections, and I will have the description down below for every color, or the link, I'm sorry, I'll have the link down below. It'll take you right to the listing. Just making sure I have it all in the section. Oh, there's a big chunky. Okay. These colors are fantastic together. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let this dry for a little while, and then I'm gonna come back in and I'm gonna seal it and then epoxy it, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Okay guys, we are back. It is cured and it is nice and smooth. So now we're just gonna take the electrical tape and tape off the cup to achieve the stripes. Now I'm going to pull this center one and I'm going to just bring it down. Okay, so we are completely taped off, and I'm going to put painter's tape right here at the bottom just to protect this. I'm going to go spray this all white where you see the purple, and then once that's dry, we're going to come back and we're going to do the epoxy method with Mini Opal Dreams. Okay, so we will be back shortly. Okay, darlings, we are back and we are dry and we are ready to apply the epoxy. I'm gonna try to stay just in between where, you know, off the tape as best as I can. I made just a little bit, and so that's my focal point. I'm just gonna start rubbing this on. Have a little bit of white right here at the rim, so I do want to try to get some glitter there. Okay, let's just make sure I got it where I need it. All right, so we are going to use Mini Opal Dreams for those sections that we just applied the epoxy. I'm actually going to go ahead and dump this instead of trying to do that. I just want to take a look at it, make sure I got everywhere I need to get. And then I'm satisfied with it before I pull the tape. And I think things are looking pretty good. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so this little teeny tiny bit I can touch up, not a big deal. So this is exactly why it's very important that you have the tails to where you can grab the tape very easily. Look at how beautiful. Such a fun cup, guys. And if you have any touching up you can do, you can certainly touch it up. Now, I guess I could have used a lot more, or I should say contrasting colors, because this kind of looks like it all blends together, but either way, guys, I mean, the ideas, the options are super endless. It's because you can see where it's lighter glitter here and it works its way down to the darker color, but it's not a crazy contrast, but you could easily make that happen. It's not a difficult cup. You could do this in a gazillion different colors, and I mean, it's just fun. So pull this off real quick. Oh my God, look. Oh my God, I freaking love this cup. I love just how this little bitty rim is white. I love it. Super fun, super fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this epoxy dry, and then I'm gonna seal the tumbler, and then I'm gonna re-epoxy the cup, the whole thing, and it's gonna be completed, and then we can be ready for decals. So much fun. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the gist of making a striped epoxy glittery tumbler. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And please hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and make sure you hit all so you get all the videos. Okay, see you next time.